All right, today's free preset is named Wild Wind. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's take a look at our raw file, ISO 135mm f4, and let's check out our free one. Here's before and here's after. Before and after, really nice color and tones. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. All right, now we're going to go to the Creative Flow. We got all our presets here, and here we have all of our profiles. First, we're going to go to the film emulation folders here, starting at the FE, all the way down to, let's go to the Fuji inspired. Open that up, and we are looking for the Color 100. Let's check out some of these. Really nice. It's a nice warm tone. That one's really nice. But let's go with this one right here. Before and after. Give that a click, and with this we can adjust the preset. So if you want more color and tone, you can do that, but I'm going to dial it back to 90. We're going to leave it right there. A few more things we're going to change before we get to our profile. Let's go to lens correction. So this only works for raw files, but let's go there, and maybe we're going to give it a little more sharpening. Let's go to high. There, looks nice. And jumping over to our profile, so we still have the Color 100 profile there, so you can always use this to intensify the look, or you can swap it out. We have these really nice chroma profiles. They add a nice film fade. We're gonna go to, let's try chroma film, and like I said, a washed look. Let's go to chrome 64. Look at that one. Different variants, but I'm gonna go with this one. Give it a click, and let's dial it back to 0. There's without. And we're just going to bring it in where it looks best. 45 looks great. Let's check out before and after. There's before and there's after. Look at the tone and color and the shadow. Really nice. I go really close here. Before, after. And there we go. All right, again, I'll put a link to the free version of this preset named Wild Wind, and also put a link to the complete collection, the Creative Flow, which includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles, where you can mix and match presets and profiles like we did here and come up with all kinds of different looks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.